High winds today. You can see the fountains getting all blown everywhere. Yeah. So I'm going to be hanging out here at the canal for a few hours. Well, let's say 3. There's supposed to be a rainstorm coming, thunderstorm coming, and I kind of want to catch it. It should be good. I've called a couple of people, so we should have some more people coming down, and we'll see if we can't have a get-together. All right, just wanted to give you an update where I am, what I'm doing. Hang out with me. The rain's let up a little bit, and there's even a little bit of blue poking out over there. We still got, I think, that coming, but it still looks good. We got kids out on the water. They're being doing a rowing club. That's awesome. It's coming down pretty good now. I don't know how long it'll last though. Probably won't be too long. I put the call out a little too late and it started raining before people could get here. Sharon has a car, so she showed up. Thank you, Sharon. I'll see you guys in a second.